Section 2, subsection 68, private company. Private company means a company having a minimum paid up share capital as may be prescribed and which by its article restricts the right to transfer its shares, except in case of one-person company limits the number of its members to 200, provided that where two or more persons hold one or more shares in a company jointly, they shall, for the purpose of this clause, be treated as a single member. Provided further that a person who are in the employment of the company and persons who having been formerly in the employment of the company were members of the company while in that employment and have continued to be members after the employment ceased shall not be included in the number of members and prohibits any invitation to the public to subscribe for any securities of the company. Under section 2 subsection 68, a private company must limit its membership to a maximum of 200 individuals. Important exception to this, current employees of the company, even if they are members, shareholders, are not counted towards the 200 member limit. Former employees who were members while employed and remain members even after leaving the company are also not counted for that member count. A private company is a type of a company that is more closely held, meaning its ownership is restricted and it cannot freely invite the public to invest. It must have minimum paid up share capital as prescribed by rules, articles of association that clearly state restriction on share transfer, shares cannot be freely sold or transferred, maximum 200 members except OPC, no invitation to the public to buy shares or debentures, key exemption to the 200 member rules. Current employees, even if they hold shares, not counted in 200. Former employees who were members during their service and continued after leaving, not counted in 200. A private company named Tech Solutions Private Limited has 180 shareholders, individual investors, 25 employee shareholders, 5 ex-employees who still hold shares. For counting purposes, only 180 are considered. Employee 25 plus ex-employee 5 are excluded. Hence, Tech Solutions Private Limited is still within the 200 member limit. In short, a private company having a limited members, restricted share transfer and no public invitation. It is like an exclusive club where only selected members can join and entry is tightly controlled.